Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create a members-only space on your website, whether that's for an online community, a course, or a private client dashboard, this tutorial is just for you. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up and customizing the Wix Members Area feature. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to give your visitors their own personal logins and control who gets access to each part of your site. Let's get right into it. So first off, what exactly is the Wix Members Area? And why would you want it? The Members Area is a fantastic built-in tool from Wix that lets people who visit your website actually register for personal accounts. That means they can create logins, manage their own profile information, and unlock exclusive pages or services you want to reserve just for your members. Imagine running an online course where only students can access the lessons, or having a private dashboard for your clients to view their project files, or even building a subscription service or community where people interact behind the scenes. That's exactly what the Members Area makes simple on Wix. All right, ready to add this feature to your site? The process is pretty straightforward. Start by logging into either the Wix Editor or Wix Studio, depending on which version you're using. On the left-hand panel, look for the button that says Add Apps, usually marked with a plus sign. Give that a click, and you'll find yourself in the App Marketplace. Now, in the search bar, type in Members Area. Once you see it pop up, go ahead and select Add to Site. It's a one-click process, and Wix does all the heavy lifting for you. As soon as the app is added, you'll notice a few new pages instantly appear in your site's navigation. There's a sign-up and login form for new members, a My Account page where users can view their activity, and a profile and settings page, so each member can manage their details. It's almost like getting a whole mini-site for your members, built automatically. Next comes customization, and this is where you can really shape the experience for your users. Each of the new pages, My Account, Profile, and Settings, are completely editable, just like any other Wix page. You can change the text, swap out images, adjust the design, and even set permissions for who can view or edit. For example, if you only want premium members to access certain pages, you can easily set that up. Think of it like redecorating a house. You get to decide how each room looks and who gets to enter. Now, there's another important piece, deciding how people become members. Head over to your site's dashboard, then look for Settings, and find the Members Area section. Inside here, you'll see your sign-up options. You really have full control. Do you want to let anyone create an account? Maybe you'd rather approve members one by one, especially for a more exclusive club feel. Or set it to invite only, so only people you personally invite can join. Take a moment here to think about your website's goals. If it's a public forum, open sign-up is great. But if you're offering paid content, tighter control is usually the way to go, and that's it. You've set up your members area, customized the look and feel, and decided exactly who can join. Don't worry if it feels a bit daunting at first. Take your time to experiment with the page layouts and settings, and you'll see how flexible Wix really is. If this walkthrough helped you get your members area up and running, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tutorials like this one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips for building your best website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So.